She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing some small traditional box braids in this video and I'm using my custom color hair blend. This is Auburn. I have a video on how I achieved this color. I will drop the link to that video down in the description if you want to check it out to see the colors that I used to achieve that Auburn. If you want to just purchase the blend from me directly, I do have a link to my online store that'll show you all of the blends that I have available for purchase at this time. So make sure to check that out. Now for this style, I did end up using it was actually a little over 6 packs of hair. And now again, this is my braiding hair, so the quantity of the hair does come a little different than just a regular, than your normal braiding hair that you would purchase from like your beauty supply store. So we did use a little over 6 packs. Typically, if I'm doing knotless box braids, I only need 5 packs, but with traditional box braids, I tend to use a little more of the braiding hair. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know that, and I hope you guys enjoy the blend, the braids, and leave your questions below. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the future, maybe what blend you guys would like to see as a braided style, and I'll try my hardest to get that out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys. Just kidding, I'm still here. So I forgot to mention, in this video, you guys will see that I'm tucking my client's hair, which means that I'm hiding my client's natural hair color in the braid, so it only shows the braiding hair color. Now, I have a video, a separate video that goes in depth on how to tuck, and I show you guys. And it was amazing to me how many comments that I received of people saying it just takes too long, it's time consuming, and I don't think a lot of people understood that I did that video slowed down for beginners, for people who really didn't know how to tuck, for people who really wanted to learn how to tuck. I did it slowed down, you know, showing people step by step, and explaining what I was doing. But in reality, like once you get it down, once you understand, you know, what you're doing, and you've gotten a lot of, you know, a little bit of practice, like tucking is not, it doesn't add a substantial amount of time to your braiding hair or your braiding process. Is it going to add some time to it? Yes. But it's not that much time that's going to be added to your process. At least the way, you know, people was making it seem, and you guys will see that although this video is sped up, you can tell that I'm not stopping that many times, or you can tell that it's not that I'm braiding normal. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But yeah, if you wanted a more in-depth video on how to tuck, that video also will be linked down in the description, and hopefully that'll clear up with, you know, all the comments and everything, which I didn't take any harm in. And I honestly, a lot of the comments were really funny and amusing to me, but I was like, are people being for real? Like, do y'all understand that I'm slowing it down on purpose? But anyways, okay, I'm done. Bye you guys, love y'all.